how to connect Messenger to Instagram. Hello and welcome to One to Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can connect our linked Messenger to your Instagram account. For that, you'll have to open your Messenger application on your device first. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. Now, once you reach to this interface, here at the top, you will find 3 horizontal lines. Click on those 3 horizontal lines to access more menu. And from the menu that appears, click on this gear icon right next to your profile name. After clicking on this icon, you will reach to this page. Here, scroll down to the very bottom and there you will find See More in Account Centers option. Click on this option and you will be redirected to a new page. Here you will find Connected Experiences option. Click on this option and then once you reach to this page, here you will find Sharing Across Profiles option. Click on this option, then click on Add Accounts, choose your Instagram account and click on this Continue button at the bottom. Again, you'll have to click on this Continue button at the very bottom and finally click on this Yes Finish Adding to conclude. And after that, you'll find you have successfully linked your Instagram to your Messenger account. So this is how you can link your Instagram account to your Messenger. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.